Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we will be creating a decorative hot air balloon using papier-mâché. The required materials include a balloon, newspaper, scissors, Mod Podge, cardboard, a hot glue gun and sticks, a hole punch, string, acrylic paint and brushes, markers and/or oil pastels, a paper clip or any type of hook that you have, and bowls and containers. Begin by inflating a balloon slightly smaller than you would like your hot air balloon to be. Then start cutting strips of newspaper until you feel like you have enough to cover your balloon multiple times. Dip each of your strips into Mod Podge and use your fingers to remove the excess. Apply the Mod Podge soaked newspaper strips to the balloon, overlapping the strips to create a strong shell until the balloon is covered. Only leave the area with the knot bare and make sure that your papier-mâché is smooth and wrinkle-free. Repeat this process 2 more times, waiting for each layer to dry before adding another one. And while we wait for our papier-mâché to dry, let's construct our hot air balloon basket out of cardboard. Begin by cutting 5 equal-sized squares of cardboard. Then use hot glue to glue 4 pieces vertically to a horizontal base. Next, use a hole punch to punch a hole in each side of the cardboard basket around the upper middle of each square side. Then cut 4 equal pieces of string and thread 1 piece through each hole. Secure the knot and adjust if needed to make sure that your pieces are still the same size. Once the papier-mâché is dry, gently pop the balloon and remove or hide any remaining pieces inside. Using the holes that you made in your basket as a guide, use a hole punch to create 4 equally spaced holes at the bottom of your papier-mâché balloon. Thread the string attached to the cardboard basket through these holes and secure with a knot. Adjust the strings until the lengths are even, and cut any excess string if needed once you're happy with the lengths. Now it's time to decorate. The balloon's surface and basket can be transformed using paints, markers, or other drawing tools to add vibrant colors, patterns, or personalized designs. You can also use Mod Podge and scrapbook paper to create a decoupage surface. Finally, glue a hook to the top of your balloon for hanging. I am using an open paper clip for this step, but you can use any hook as long as it is sturdy enough and will hold your balloon. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.